Now, the official Suncoast weather with ABC7 meteorologist John Scalzi.
It's a very nice start to the day. We have some mild temperatures out there, 68-degree air temperature with a dew point of 62. That dew point value will be rising over the course of the next several days as we start to inject a little bit more moisture. But first, we're going to bring in a little dry air, and that'll limit the number of showers that we see this afternoon to, we'll call it isolated to scattered. 66 in Wauchula. Arcadia at 66. Mayaca comes in at 67. We have 69 degrees at Lakewood Ranch, 67 in Parrish, 68 degrees in Bradenton. Venice comes in at 71, 70 degrees in Inglewood, and Northport comes in at 68 with 69, or excuse me, 63 in Punta Gorda. We have across the region right now pretty quiet conditions across the state. Not a lot of showery activity yet. Drier air has kind of limited the number of storms that we have seen to just a few. Yesterday we saw a few scattered showers kind of drift from inland areas and then kind of become more populated out in Gulf waters as the sea breeze retreated. However, I think later on this afternoon we have a better chance of seeing some showers around. And then as we head into each and every successive day over the weekend, probably even better chances. We have right now pretty quiet conditions in terms of the satellite view, in terms of satellite coverage across the state. A lot of sunshine in store for you for the first half of the day, followed by some building inland clouds along the sea breeze, and then those showers. Now, we have some cloud cover out in the Atlantic right here, and that's all part of a large-scale circulation that will eventually, I think, become either a tropical depression or a subtropical depression, which kind of hybrid system, a system that develops outside of the tropics, or perhaps a named storm, which would be Bonnie in this case, because we've already used up Alex last January. So we start with the B letter this hurricane season. The system itself will probably be investigated a little later this afternoon by Hurricane Hunter aircraft, and they'll probably determine that it is a little bit better organized than it was yesterday, and the forecast track of it remains pretty much unchanged by all the computer models, taking it up toward the Carolina coast. On this track for today and maybe the next day or so, we'll start to see some of that drier air that's been over the state of Florida slowly be replaced with moisture. Right now, fairly dry air in place, part of the general circulation around that low, bringing us a reduced rainfall chance today, but still better than it was yesterday. And then as we head into the weekend, I think we'll probably see by Sunday a little bit of this moisture injected into the area, and our rain chances go up a little bit on Sunday. And still some question marks in the forecast, and a lot of it depends on how strong that system becomes and what the air around it looks like. But we'll go with warm and sunny today anyway, isolated storms, and we'll be watching the tropics for future development and its impact on our weather. One thing is for sure, it'll kick up the seas over on the other coast, so if you're traveling to that coast, this boating forecast will be much different. For us, the effect of the storm, minimal on boating. Northeast wind coming in at about 10 knots today. Should be a pretty nice day out there on the waters. Over the course of the next several days, rain chances spike Sunday, but they'll go down again probably on Monday. Daytime highs each day around 90. Back to you.